Hey guys, it's Natalia and today I'm going to be starting a vlog. So I'm gonna try and make it like a reading vlog because it is Friday the 13th today, and that means it's the day of my last deadline and I finished it off yesterday, so I already sent it in and I am free to do as I please for the next month because my second semester starts in like a month, sometime in January, so I'm free and ready to go back to reading and also like continue watching some K-dramas because I had two that I wanted to continue with. So Hello My 20s, which I actually already finished because I binge watched it when I was doing my coursework. It was me doing coursework and then as a break watching Hello My 20s, and I really enjoyed the second season. It wasn't as good as the first one, but it was still good. Like the second one I would give like 6 out of 10 stars, and then the first one I would give like an 8 or 9 out of 10 stars. So yeah, but now I have Suspicious Partner left. I did watch like one episode yesterday and then hopefully I finish it off maybe this week. If I don't finish it off this week, that's fine. I still have a lot of time left to finish it off. Like I'm super excited because Suspicious Partner I already gave 10 out of 10 stars on IMDb, I think that's what it's called, because it's just amazing and I love all the characters so much. And then the book I'm reading is on my dresser is Animal Liberation. I have like less than 100 pages left of it, so I hope to finish it off by the end of this week. So you're probably gonna see me reading another book, but I want to finish that one by the end of Sunday or before I go to sleep on Sunday. So if I look really tired, I'm so tired. I slept in for the first time in a long time till 8 AM. Yes, that's sleeping in for me. And I think that's all I have to update you on. Might sound a little bit ill. Got a sore throat. But I think I'm gonna go make breakfast because it's nearly 9 and I want to eat something. So I hope the lighting's not too bad. I actually just turned off my like overhead lights and I just have my fairy lights on and then this light on the side. But I thought I'd quickly do a little update because it's only the second day into this vlog and I already finished a book which I'm super proud of. So I ended up finishing Animal Liberation by Peter Singer and I gave it 4 out of 5 stars. So that's great. I really enjoyed it. I learned a lot about like the animal testing side because if you didn't know what this book is about, it basically focuses on different ways in which humans exploit animals because of speciesism. I think I said it right, you know, when people discriminate because the other animal is of a different species. Speciesism? I can't say that, but I think you know what I mean. And first it tackled testing, like animal testing, then animal agriculture, and then I think it's becoming vegan, and then it focuses on speciesism today, and that's it. And it was really good and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I highly recommend it. But yeah, that's that for Saturday. I didn't do much today. What did I actually do? I don't even know. But yeah, I'm gonna work out now because I really want to work out. So yeah. It's Wednesday today, and it is an exciting day because today the tickets for ATEEZ's World Tour, I think it's called, or Treasure Tour, I don't even know what the tour is called, went on sale, and I got myself a ticket. I'm going to London to see one of my all-time favorite bands, ATEEZ. I am so excited. I was so nervous. I had to like wait 40 minutes, not after it was released, but like till the release time, which was like 11 a.m. and then the wait wasn't long. I think I was like the next person in line, and then I kept like changing it because I wanted a ticket that's front stage and I kept getting side, so I got like section C, so I'll be in section C in front of the stage, and I'm so excited. I wanted section B, but I'm really happy with section C still. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna have to like figure out traveling now, but I've still got time to do that. But I'm going to see ATEEZ. ATEEZ might be the first K-pop band I see in concert. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. My hands were shaking for like half an hour. Well, not half an hour, like 15 minutes. And I keep listening to ATEEZ. I'm probably gonna be listening to just ATEEZ for a while. But I'm so excited. And I'm also going to Birmingham again. We're gonna have sushi, me and my friend. So that's exciting. But oh my god, I just had to share the news with you guys. I'm going to a K-pop concert for ATEEZ. I'm gonna see Mingi, Hongjung, San, Yeonho, Jungho, Songhwa, Wooyoung. Who else? Oh, I'm kind of blanking. Oh, I always forget the cute one's name. Damn it. Yeosang, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm gonna see him as well. Oh my god. Yeonho, Jungho, Hongjung, Songhwa, Wooyoung, Mingi, San. I don't think I forgot anyone. Oh my god. Very hydrating. So guys, it is actually Saturday, like 10:30 or something. I just got home from work and I thought I'd quickly wrap up the vlog because I was supposed to do it yesterday but I forgot. So on Thursday night I couldn't fall asleep, so I ended up reading all of Boyfriend Bargain. I think that's what the book is called, and overall I found the story to be okay. Like, I enjoyed it, I liked the characters, but I ended up giving it 3 stars just because it wasn't my favourite and I found that I wanted to like skim read some parts, but it was still interesting, so I'm glad I read it. And then yesterday I finished watching Oh My Venus, and that is probably, it's become one of my all-time favourite K-dramas. It is so good. It's so funny. The ending, I knew it was gonna end like that. It was so good. Like, Oh My Venus, if you don't guys know, it follows a lawyer who used to be like, they called her the Venus of the place that she is from, the city that she is from. So she was like the most beautiful, like all the guys in school had crushes on her, like they were her first love or something. And when she's like in her 30s and she's already like an established lawyer, she like gained weight and she got some health issues, but then she meets like a personal trainer and then it's just about that, and it's actually so good. I love all the characters. The actor that's called Henry that played one of the like guys, he was so good and I just loved it. So I think I'm like gonna give that like 10 out of 10 stars because it was just amazing. I was never bored, always laughing, and then the last couple episodes I was like crying. It was great. I don't know what K-drama I'm gonna watch next because I definitely want to fit one more in before the year is over. But yeah, that is it for this weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.